Hello friends, today I'm doing an unboxing of Adidas sneakers that I've got on Adidas.com site, which is lately very popular. And I've got some sneakers that they were on sale, and these kinds of sneakers are Nmd. So let's open them. So we came in this box, and I will remove the box from the box. Wow, nice box. Black one. Okay. Here is the box. It says a brand with a 3 stripes, and here it shows an Nmd Racer PKW. I've got them in size 9, US 9. So let's open. Here's how they came. So let's see. Wow, nice. And another one. So here we are. Interesting. So I show you from close-ups. That's interesting. So this model is really cute. We have this socks kind material right here, which is really stretchable, and we have also here some laces that you can adjust. We have this comfortable boost kind of cloud foam. It's like boost foamy sole, which is, I heard, comfortable. And they have funny sole, as this one is black, here is pink, and here are some funny dots. And I like the neon yellow. Actually, it's more like green. Yellow green. Here we have 3 stripes, which I don't know if they reversible. No, they don't light in dark. But they are cute. And here we are, another stripe, like pink ones. Also here, this part didn't show. So here is some suede insert. Here we have some plastic also. I don't know what's the purpose of it. And here it has this thing which is helping you to get it out. And inside we have some pink Adidas stuff. It says Adidas, this brand with the 3 stripes. Okay, I turn them on. Very fun, a little looking like so. Some people say that they look like clown shoes. They're a little white in this part. Actually, I could get half size down, I think, if I put, I don't know. Are they comfortable? I would say they seems to be, but I thought that this foam would be more squishy, like in these slippers, in these ones, Adidas something. This foam is very comfortable and squishy. So I thought this one would be also the same, but it seems less. Also, they feel weird because they don't have insert like normal one, but very thin one, and I feel some hard parts. And also one thing digging inside this part here. This part digging in my foot. It's just not good. And here too. So this part is a little bit dangerous. Okay, that's it for today unboxing. Hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, then give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye!